It's a real pleasure to have everyone back at Hands-on Humanities Day. It's our first event after the pandemic. It makes a huge difference for us interacting with our local communities, and it's great to see researchers and students and local community groups interacting with the public.
The Being Human Festival programme allows our research to be part of a national programme, and this year the theme is renewal, and that's really important because I think focusing on what's happening to us as we come out of this period and what arts and humanities research in particular can contribute to that renewal is a really important part of what we're doing here today.
We've brought a group of young people with us to Hands-on Humanities Day today, and what has been the most enjoyable is seeing how much they've engaged with the activities. They've really enjoyed it, and a lot of the activities are based around things that they wouldn't have otherwise had access to.
This is really an amazing experience for me, and I also hope that there can more hands-on events that I can join in the future.
We decided to focus in on the local heritage and archaeology of the city of Southampton. So the students were excavating at the Roman site of Southampton down in Bitton Manor. They were involved in excavation here on the Avenue campus. We also did geophysics down on the Common. And the hope with all of this is that it gives us the capacity to conduct things that local communities can be involved in, and the results of the survey, the excavations and so on and so forth will then kind of feed into us doing public outreach with the local community.
Today at Hands-On, my experience was really great. It was fun-filled. I felt really happy because I got to have different experiences. I got to try different ways of learning things. The most exciting I found today was probably with the robots, because all the different colours and instructions I had to follow made the course really fun, and it did different things, which is really interesting.
We hope this event will bring also consistent contribution to the Southampton 2025 City of Culture bid. We really want to showcase all the best that Southampton has to offer, also through the University of Southampton, its researchers and the people in the local community that came over and contributed to this event today.